Clear day windows take safety seriously. That's why each team member is required to complete safety compliance training every year. This fictitious company delivers training through a learning plan in SmarterU LMS. This makes it easy for learners to find and complete the courses and actions needed to meet regional safety requirements. Let's look at an example. Meet Anna. She represents a typical employee at Clear Day Windows. Today, we join her as she begins her annual safety compliance training. Anna logs in and sees a page clearly defining the safety compliance learning plan. A quick glance reveals there are 3 certifications that she needs to complete. The text below each certification indicates that they're all mandatory, so Anna must meet the requirements in each one to earn her certification. Next, Anna spots a legend that explains each certification's color-coded status. As she progresses through her training and completes courses and actions, the colors will change, reflecting her current status and the percentage of completion. Anna can use this as a visual map of her learning journey. With just a few clicks, Anna drills down to explore the details of each certification. Breadcrumbs at the top of the page tell Anna the name of the learning plan and certification she's currently exploring. As she delves deeper, Anna notices that the Safety Basics certification follows the same color scheme to indicate the status of each course within it. Excited to learn more, she expands each course, revealing descriptive information and details. She finds useful tags and the due date. And she can conveniently start each course by clicking the Start button. Anna may also need to complete specific actions, such as uploading a completion certificate. Her manager can then review and confirm these files. As Anna goes through the safety compliance learning plan, SmarterU LMS keeps track of her achievements. Her progress is updated as she completes each course, showing her current status and completion details. After Anna finishes each certification, she receives a personalized completion certificate to display in her office or share with others. When it's time for Anna to renew her annual compliance certifications, the status colors and due dates in SmarterU LMS change, giving her a friendly reminder to ensure she stays up to date with her training. Using learning plans to guide employees through their mandatory training gives Clear Day Windows the confidence that SmarterU LMS is working for them. Whether it's guiding learners through courses and actions, tracking progress, sharing achievements, or reminding learners when it's time to refresh their knowledge, SmarterU supports Clear Day Windows every step of the way. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel and consider subscribing. Have a great day.